you want to write the best, the most impactful slides that you can, there are a couple of simple rules to follow. I call them the 3 slide writing commandments. These are PowerPoint strategy in a nutshell. Everything after this is just tactics. If you like this and you want to learn more about analysis and how to present it to your audience in order to get them to take action, please subscribe to our channel. And now, without further ado, the slide writing commandments. Slide writing commandment number 1. Always tell your audience what the conclusion or key takeaway is. Doesn't matter how obvious or not debatable you think that your conclusion is. There will be people in your audience who don't think it's obvious and will look at your data and come to the wrong conclusion. You cannot let that happen. You have to tell them what the conclusion is. Now, they can disagree with your conclusion. That's fine, but you'll have the data and logic to back yourself up. What you can't have is them looking at your data and logic and coming to the incorrect conclusion. That's much harder to work backwards from. Slide writing commandment number 2. Never make your audience work to understand your main point. Now, you might be thinking, wait, so I'm just supposed to spoon feed them everything and not make them think at all? Not exactly. Making your audience work and making your audience think are not the same thing. Deep insights or hypothetical questions can make your audience think, and that's a great thing if it goes along with your main point. Data or text that requires more than one logical step to get to the insight, that's making your audience work, and that's dangerous. Some of them may not get there. When that's needed, you have to walk them through step by step by step and not make them work to do it on their own. Slide writing commandment number 3, always be concise. Now, this applies outside of slide writing, of course, but it's more important when you're writing slides. One of the key advantages of PowerPoint is being able to quickly get to your point. When you're not concise, you forfeit that advantage. Remember, strong, concise slides have never been considered death by PowerPoint. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe. We have more coming. If you have comments or questions or ideas for other things that you want to see, you can leave them in the comments below, or you can go to my website, www.theanalyticsdude.com, and leave them there. Thanks, and I'll see you again next week.